Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Google Adsense for monetizing your website. Google Adsense is a program that allows website owners to monetize their content by displaying ads on their webpage. AdSense is a pay-per-click advertising network, which means that advertising or advertisers pay Google each time a user click on an ad that is displayed on your website. A website owner, you can earn a portion of the revenue that Google earns from the advertiser for each click. To use AdSense, website owners sign up for an account and then AdSense code to their web pages. This code allows Google to display ads on the website. AdSense uses contextual targeting to display ads that are relevant to the content of the web page. For example, if your website is about gardening, AdSense may display ads for gardening tools or plants. AdSense offers a variety of ad formats, including text, images, video ads. Website owners can customize the design and placement of the ads on their pages. AdSense also provide reporting tools to help website owners monitor their ad performance and earnings. To use AdSense, website owner must comply with Google policies regarding content and ad placement. Violating these policies can result in account suspension or termination. So, how to use Google AdSense for monetize your website? Google AdSense is a program that allows website owners to monetize their website by displaying ads on their pages. Here are the steps to use Google AdSense for monetizing your money. First, sign up for a Google AdSense account. Yes, go to the AdSense website and sign up for an account, or just click Get Started. And then sign into your account and fill up these following forms like your site, get more out of AdSense, your payment country or territory. Then click Start using AdSense, such as you will need to provide information about your website, such as the URL and the type of content it contains. Add AdSense code to your website. Once you have been approved for an AdSense account, you will receive a code that you can add to your website. This code will display ads on your website. Then customize your ads. You can choose the type of ads that you want to display on your website, such as text or image ads that you want to display on your website. You can also customize the color and size of the ads to match your website's design. Drive traffic to your website. The more traffic your website gets, the more potential revenue you can earn from AdSense. So promote your website on social media and other online channels to increase traffic. And monitor your earnings. Well, AdSense provides detailed reports on your earnings and ad performance and traffic. So monitor these reports to optimize your ads and increase revenues and comply with AdSense policies. It has a strict policies regarding the types of content that can be monetized. So make sure to read and follow these policies to avoid account suspension or termination. Always remember that there are several advantages to use this Google AdSense to monetize your website. Example, easy to use. AdSense is a user-friendly and easy to set up even for beginners. The code can be added to your website in just few simple steps, and the ad will start appearing on your pages. Passive income. Yes. Once AdSense is set up on your website, you can earn revenue from the ads without having to actively manage them. This allows you to focus on creating high quality content for your website. Targeting ads. AdSense uses contextual targeting to display ads that are relevant to the content of your website. This can improve users' engagement and increase the likelihood of clicks. Wide range of ad formats. AdSense offers a variety of ad format, including text, images, and video ads. This allow you to choose the format that best fits your website and audience. When it comes to flexibility, AdSense allows you to customize the design and placement of the ads on your website. This gives you the flexibility to optimize your ad performance and maximize your earnings. And large advertiser base. Yes, Google has a large advertiser base, which means that there are plenty of opportunity for ads to be displayed on your website. So overall, AdSense is a convenient and effective way to monetize your website and earn revenue from your online content. So always remember, to get started, you only need three things to get started with AdSense. First, a Google account. If you use Gmail or any other Google services, you already have one. If not, just click to sign up and well help you create your new account. You can use it to get the most out of AdSense and all Google services. Next, teleport number or telephone number and postal address. Your phone number and the mailing address associated with your bank account to pay you. And last, connect your site to AdSense. Add a piece of code to your site and let Google take care of the rest, allowing you to grow your business. So that's how to use Google AdSense for monetizing your website. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.